Welcome to this Unity Quick Guide. In this video, we will be covering settings. The settings page is used to complete general administrative tasks. These tasks include setting and managing the users who are able to authenticate new media streams, and managing blocked email addresses and phone numbers. To access the settings page, start within the Contact Center portal dashboard and navigate to the settings icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to the settings page, which is split into three separate sections for third-party authentication, blocked email addresses, and blocked phone numbers. In the third-party authentication section, you can find the email addresses of the users capable of receiving authentication requests from media streams. You can add and remove users by simply typing or removing valid email addresses from the text box. Please note, the users responsible for authenticating media streams will be required to have access to the passwords associated with these media streams. For example, when authenticating a new email media stream, users assigned to third-party authentication will be required to have access to the login credentials, including passwords, to ensure they can successfully authenticate the media stream. In the blocked email addresses section, users can see a list of all email addresses blocked by the contact center. Emails from these blocked email addresses, or domains, will be marked as read in the inbox but ignored. Additionally, an automated reply will not be sent. The blocked email address table includes key information such as the creation level, the email address or domain that is blocked, as well as the time and date this occurred. Email addresses can be blocked by navigating to the Add Blocked Address button at the bottom of the page. On this page, you can specify whether or not the address you wish to block is a domain or not, as well as being able to type in the name of the address you wish to block. Once completed, you can click the Add Address button to block the address, which will now be visible in the list of blocked email addresses. Additionally, agents and supervisors in queues that have permission to block remote parties can block an email address via reserving an email conversation as it arrives in the contact center and simply pressing the Block Email button at the top of the response panel. You can also unblock email addresses by clicking on the blocked address in the table and then selecting the Remove Address option. For SMS users, the Blocked Phone Numbers section allows you to view and manage phone numbers blocked by the contact center. You can view all currently blocked phone numbers in the displayed table, along with key information such as the number itself, the media stream and queue that the conversation was taking place in when the phone number was blocked, and the date and time of the blocking. Additionally, you can also unblock phone numbers. This can be done by clicking on the Unblock button, located next to the phone number on the table. After making changes on the settings page, click on the Update button located at the bottom of the page to put your changes into effect. Thank you for watching this Unity Quick Guide. For more Contact Center tutorial videos, a complete collection of Unity Quick Guides is available.